Look at that extremely large ungroomed dog, better known as a Goldendoodle. Ariel? Ariel. Treat? Come here. Come. Look at this. Stoic. Won't come. But watch. Loves? Come. Loves? Yes. See? That's all you have to say. And watch. They come back. They will... That's Fridays with Frank in the background. But right now we are concentrating on the Goldendoodle. They always sit away from you. It's weird. And then when you want to love them, watch. They come in. Best dog in the world if you're looking for a dog. But the biggest thing right here, look at the hair. She's getting groomed next Tuesday. This is her winter coat, her spring coat, and yeah, she got me in the arm. And her summer coat. Wonderful dogs. If you're looking for a dog for like therapy, the Goldendoodle is great. Make sure that the dog is certified. If you're just looking for a dog for the family, 100% the Goldendoodle. Thanks for watching, Ariel. Tell the people goodbye. Yeah, right. Oh. Say goodbye. Wonderful dog. Thanks for watching.